Welcome back to BFP TV. Today I want to talk to you about some of our new Coleus that we've added to our FlameThrower series. Now remember, our FlameThrowers are nice mounded, well-branched Coleus series, perfect for quarts, smaller container sizes, as well as bigger pots, patio pots, gallons. You go all the way up into hanging baskets. We've actually seen growers be very successful with them in baskets. But this year, we've added two new colors. Serrano, as you can see here, has a really nice light margin on the outside of this leaf with a red center. Stands out really well as a good bicolor to add to our series. And then also Salsa Roja, a deep red, almost burgundy, that has that same great performance that we expect from our FlameThrowers. So when you're out there looking for a Coleus for your quart program or for a hanging basket or an item to add to a combination as an additional component, think FlameThrowers from Ball FloraPlant.